I'm going to try mini canvas painting on these really small canvases, and I bought them from Amazon. और इनका size 3 by 3 inches का है. Now let's begin with the outlines first, and I'm keeping this really simple ताकि आप लोग भी इसे easily try कर सकें. Okay, for coloring purpose, I'm gonna use these camel acrylic color, and इन्हें भी मैं पहली बार use कर रही हूँ. Here I'm using this small flat brush for applying color, cause इससे ना बहुत easily color spread हो जाता है. और रही रेफरेंस की बात, I found it from Pinterest and you can also try it. आपको भी बहुत सारी रेफरेंस वहाँ मिल जाएंगे. This is the first time I'm trying this small canvas art, and to be honest मुझे ना काफ़ी टाइम तक पता ही नहीं था कि इतने छोटे कैनवसेस भी हो सकते हैं और इससे स्मॉल कैनवसेस भी एग्जिस्ट करते हैं. Okay, the first canvas is done and it was really fun to do it. और अब मुझे हो रहा है कि एक और बार ट्राई करते हैं. So let's search for the second reference image. I think I finally got one. So let's try it now. The outlinings are done and I'm moving ahead to my favorite coloring portion. And by the way, मेरे को ना येलो कलर बहुत सही लग रहा है, एकदम फ्रेश और रिलैक्सिंग ऐसा. Also, I was thinking that this is the small canvas और ये बन भी पाएगा या नहीं, but it is going quite well and I'm loving the end results by the way. Finally, the second one is also done. So let's try the third one now. And for searching the reference image, I'm going to my favorite place, Pinterest, and I've already got one. So let's do it now. This one is the most easiest and cutest one till now, and इसको देख के तो लगता है ना कि ये सबसे कम टाइम लेने वाला है कंप्लीट होने में. In the beginning, I was quite nervous about this video idea, but now you can easily see that how much I am enjoying this video right now. Finally, I'm about to complete this work right now and it is looking really cute so far. Let's do one last bonus art now. But before this, I'm going to clean my color palette क्योंकि बहुत गंदा हो गया है.
A few moments later.
Finally, it is clean and it's time to work now. ये वाला कैनवस ना तीनों कैनवस से बिल्कुल अलग होने वाला है and इसमें मैं ड्रॉ करने वाली हूँ नाइट सीनरी. So let's see how much time it is gonna take. I love to draw these kind of trees क्योंकि ये बहुत ही easy होते हैं ड्रॉ करने. Okay, now let's add some moon and star और उसके बाद finally ये complete हो जाएगा. And here are the fun results. Hope you guys like it. So all the material details are given in the description below. Also, don't forget to like, comment and share this video. And thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.